In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect cursor to n8n. So firstly, open up n8n and log into your n8n account. So once you've logged into your account here, click on the create workflow option here, which is in the top right. Click on it to start a new automation. So once you're on this page here, what you're going to do is click on this add first step. So here, search for cursor. See if cursor is available. Search for it and see if it's available. Since it's directly not available in most cases, what we're going to do is type in HTTP request. Okay, and then select it. And here, what we're going to do is for the method, select which method based on what you want to do with the cursor. So what action? So based on that, you can select one of these. I'll leave it as get. And then for the URL, get the API key from the cursor. So just get that and then plug that in. And then here, once you have plugged that in, here the authentication, you can select one of these, either one of these authentication, whether predefined or generic. If you say predefined, you can select that and then select the credential type. So what type of credential? So you can just choose like active API or something, one of these. So choose that and then you can fill in all the other parameters here. So once I've filled in all the other parameters here, what you're going to do is hit on execute step. And once you're done with that, you're going to go to back to canvas here, click on the back to canvas option, and then here, once you're back to the canvas, you will see that your automation has been set. So you can test it by clicking on execute workflow to check the connection. And that's basically pretty much it is.